Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya Conrad ki sangma laong ba kum sarkar hi kam lehraiñ bani krani kino ki mat ki badan sngewkhia bakta ki pajba nong shoshnong haba chuba ba ki chingkanto president Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba benson erchpala ubala ong ba sarkar MDA kadai sarkar chi ki hun toket ba committee u Conrad laong ba ki chingkano kisa hi tangi jingkano.
Because what happens is whenever there is a concern, we don't shy away from it. We have allowed the inquiries to take place, and inquiry reports all have been placed. We never even allow them to slow down, and we push. I think it's a clear example of how this government wants to be transparent. Allegations will always be there. Inquiry is the best way to ensure that a free, fair inquiry takes place and the facts come out. And in all the cases, you've seen that the inquiries have come out. We have placed the facts in front of the people, and I think there is nothing to hide. So therefore, if we had not gone for the inquiries and not done this independent, inquiries, then I think people would say that they're hiding something. Allegations are made, and time and again, these inquiries have brought out that these allegations were merely allegations. And from our side, government has never shied away from being transparent.